Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals. In this video we learn animal names. The first one is a cow. This is a cow. C is for cow. This is a cow. The next one is a hippopotamus. This is a hippo. H is for hippo. The next one is a gorilla. This is a gorilla. This is elephant. E is for elephant. This is elephant. This is saurus. This is saurus. This is a panda. P is for panda. This is a lion. L is for lion. This is a lion. This is a camel. C is for camel. This is a deer. D is for deer. This is a rooster. R is for rooster. This is a cheetah. This is a cheetah. This is a dog. D is for dog. This is a camel. A camel. This is a